data types. Before starting the session, if you are visiting first time my channel, please subscribe my channel for more concepts. I believe you are all well known about what is SQL. SQL means structured query language. It is a database language. It is used to construct SQL queries. SQL Star Plus is a default client tool that acts as interface between client and database. To run SQL queries, we use this SQL Star Plus tool and executes the queries. Coming to the data types of SQL, these are different types of data types: string data types, numeric data types, date data types, and binary data types. Here, coming to the string data types, we are using char, varchar2, long. Char, it is used to store fixed length of characters. By default, the size is 1. It is taking, and the max size is 2000 characters we can give. For examples of this character, employee ID, PNR number, we can give anything like this as a data. And coming to the varchar2, it is used to store variable length character strings. There is no default size for this varchar2. We should specify the size, and the maximum size we can give is 4000 characters. These are also same like examples: employee name, address, location, any other you can give as a string like that, parameters. And long, it is used to store variable length character data similar to varchar2 data type, but the maximum size is 2 GB, but we can use this data type per one column in a table only. Coming to the next, numeric data types. In numeric data types, we are using int, number, precision, scale, and number contains precision only. First, int. It is used to store integer values within a range of these two, and minus 21478 so on to 21478 and so on. Here we can give any integer value as a data to the database, and we need to specify the size. Before we want to give, we should specify some size like int 10, int 20, like that. And coming to number, precision, scale. It is used to store numbers along with the decimal points. Here, what is precision and scale we need to know. Precision represents the total number of digits in the value. Like if you want to give 12.75 as a data into the database, here we are giving 4 digits, 1, 2, 7, 5, 4 digits we are giving, 4 digits we are giving. So the total number of digits in this value is 4. So we need to specify the size. As we are giving 4 digits, you can specify maximum size as 7 we specified here. Like that you can specify 10. This is the precision mean. So precision means to represent the size, means how many digits we are giving in that value. And coming to the scale, scale represents the maximum number of digits after decimal point. Like we are after decimal point we are giving 2 digits, 7, 5. Here we specify the size also 2. So you can't give any one more digit after this 7, 5. If you want to give, you can specify the size as 5, 10, like so, for that scale parameter. So I think you got what is precision and scale. And coming to number with just precision as a parameter, it is used to store numbers without decimal point, like 12, 50, like that. Without decimal point, it will store that number only. And coming to the date data type, it is used to store date type of data. Like Oracle is having a predefined date format as follows: D, D, MON, Y, Y. Here D digits of date, like 12. MON means the first 3 characters of month name, and YY it is last 2 digits of the year. Example is here May 12th, 2021. And coming to the binary data types, here RAW, it is used to store binary data like images, thumb impressions, logos and so on. The maximum size we can give is 2000 bytes. And another one, long RAW. It is similar to raw data type, but the maximum size is 2 GB. Only one long raw type column is allowed per a table. So if in a table you can mention only per one column only, you can give long raw data type. You can't give any other one. So these are the different types of data types we are using for SQL language. So guys, if you like the video, please like here and subscribe my channel. Thank you.